What about the thing, how can we motivate the young people to practice this game?
Well, we can motivate them very easily. I think if Vishy and me today make enough mistakes, young people are going to say, well, this game is so easy.
Yeah, absolutely.
So we invite Mr. Anand to say the first move.
Okay, E2 to E4. Pawn A2 to A3.
Pionul de pe A2 la A3. The pawn is now on A3.
Bishop from C8 to E6.
Nebunul de pe C8 la E6. The bishop is now on E6. Importantă, dama neagră de pe C3 capturează dama albă de pe C5. Un duel al damelor. Vedem cum dama albă, din păcate pentru ea, părăsește tabla. Dama neagră și vedem și dama neagră, din păcate, părăsește tabla de joc. Turnul deloc prietenos cu dama neagră, se pare. Își răzbună conducătoarea.
Rook E5 to E2.
Turnul de pe E5 mută pe E2.
Rook D1 to F1.
Și albul mută turnul de pe D1 pe F1.
Well, white has 3 pawns, I have 1 pawn, so white is going to win this endgame. So I think this is a good moment to stop this game and to resign the game, because 3 pawns versus 1 in this rook ending, it will take a little bit of time, but ultimate result is very clear.
Thank you. Let's applause everyone. Let's applause everyone. So Vishy Anand has won the game and Mr. Ivan Sokolov has resigned after a tough fight. Let's give them all applause. Now you can take off your blindfold and see so many people gather here to see you. So thank you very much for joining. Vă mulțumim tuturor pentru participare.